Hello and welcome to Mission CAPF Hub. In this video, we will be talking about our strategy for the current affairs section of the CAPF exam. Guys, we will be discussing questions that were asked in the recently held examination of the CAPF, and we will also be talking about how we should be approaching to the current affairs section if we are appearing in the next year, that is 2022. Guys, we are very proud to announce that out of 16 questions that were asked in the CAPF exam, we have delivered 15 questions. We have, with proofs, have already stated that 15 questions came from our magazine directly. So we'll be looking at the nature of questions that UPSC had asked this year, and we'll also be planning some kind of a strategy for the next year or two. So let us begin. So in this year, UPSC had asked 16 questions from the current affairs sections. Last year in 2020, UPSC had asked only 7 questions for current affairs section, and that number has doubled this year. In fact, more than doubled in 2021. So current affairs cannot be underestimated. UPSC may go for the 15 questions some year. It may go for 10 questions or 12 questions, or sometimes 7 questions, but you should be prepared. So we'll be looking at the month-wise distribution of questions that were asked in the recently held examination. That is June 2021, UPSC had asked 10 questions from this month, and from other months like May, April, January, October, 1 or 2 questions have been asked. But that doesn't mean that you will not be preparing for, you will only be preparing for the May and June month and not other months. But UPSC may change this pattern and might ask few more questions from the January or October. So you need to be prepared for each and every month, and this is not the pattern that they will be only asking from the June. So in 2018 they had focused more upon the May, and they might focus upon the April too. So we cannot say, it is unpredictable that how and in which month they will be asking. So you should be covering at least 8 to 9 months of the current affairs prior to the date of the exam. So it is important that you should be reading our magazines. We are only giving 28 pages magazine that will not take you more than a day to cover it, and you will get out of marks. That is our personal guarantee. So let us look at the exams that can be dealt with by our magazines. So friends, the magazine name is for the CAPF exam, but our magazine is applicable to the CDS, NDA, EPFO, and IB and other state PCS exams. As you can see that in NDA exam, out of 10 questions that were asked by UPSC for the current affairs, we have delivered 9 questions. So that is almost 90%. 90% of the current affairs questions came from our magazine in the NDA. And also in the IB, 6 to 7 questions in each shift were asked from our magazine. So friends, we have been able to consistently deliver, and we have proved that we know it all. So let's begin with the questions of 2021. You can see here that UPSC has asked a question on volcano Mount Merapi. Why this question has been asked? Because in Indonesia there was an eruption of the volcano, of the active volcano, and its name is volcano Mount Merapi. And as Indonesia lies in the Indian Ocean region, and it is important for any aspirant who is aspiring for any defense exam to know about the happenings that are taking place in the neighboring countries like Indonesia, Bhutan, Nepal. So you should be aware about these things. So UPSC has directly asked this question from an article of The Hindu, but we have covered it for you in the January 2021 magazine. As you can see here, Mount Merapi, Indonesia's most active volcano, erupted with a river of lava. So it is clearly given in January 2021 magazine of ours. So moving ahead, we have a question on the Raimuna National Park, which was upgraded. Upgraded means it was some other conservatory area, but now it has been upgraded to the national park status, and it lies in Assam. We have covered it in our June 2021 magazines. As we know that 10 questions were asked from a single month of June, and here you can see that Raimuna National Park has been upgraded. So here it has been clearly given. So moving ahead, they have also asked a question on Huron drone. Previously they had asked a question on the Apache helicopter, but now they have asked about the Huron drone. Now Huron drone, from which country we are procuring this Huron drone? On the similar line, UPSC had asked about Apache helicopter, from which country we were procuring Apache helicopter. The answer was the United States. But now in this year, UPSC has asked about the Huron drones, from which country we are procuring this Huron drone. So we are acquiring this Huron drone from the Israel. We have clearly mentioned it here in our magazine that we have been acquiring this Huron drone from Israel. So guys, the next question was about Cyclone Tokte. If you remember that in 2020 they have asked a question on cyclone. They similarly asked that which country has named a particular cyclone. The answer was Thailand. Similarly, this year they have asked the Cyclone Tokte was named by which country. So it was named by Myanmar. We have clearly given here that Cyclone Tokte made landfall in Gujarat, and it is named by Myanmar. So it was from the May 2021 month. So the next question was on COVID variants. They asked alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and the countries associated with these codes. So you can see here clearly in our table given in our magazine that beta is South Africa, delta is India, epsilon is California. So you can directly see here. In the month of May 2021, they had asked this question: which of the following has constructed vessel Sajak? So UPSC has a habit of asking vessels, ships. You can see a question on vessel in 2019 question paper. So they have asked this question about which of the following has constructed this vessel Sajak. The answer was Goa Shipyard Limited. It was covered from our magazine of May 2021. We have clearly mentioned it here that Sajak, which has been constructed by Goa Shipyard Limited. You can see here it is a offshore patrol vehicle. You also should be remembering this, that it is an offshore patrol vehicle. So the next question was on the variable capital currency. UPSC has directly asked that who is chairing this expert committee on the variable capital currency in India. So it is being chaired by Mr. K.P. Krishnan. So we have given this clearly in our magazine. You can see here of the June 2021 that K.P. Krishnan committee, a committee on variable capital currency, has submitted its report to the International Financial Services Center Authority. So International Financial Services is important topic because government had recently established it. Government has also established a gift city. Do you know where is the gift city located? If you know, please comment. Moving ahead, the next question was about the Sustainable Development Goal India Index 2021. So it was released by Niti Aayog, and which state had topped this? If you can see here that Himachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Goa, all these states are having some kind of equal human development. So Himachal Pradesh might be a mountainous state. It may be having some difficult terrain, but it is good at the human development aspect. So you might get confused of which state to choose, whether it is Himachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. But Kerala is at the forefront of every good things, and you can just mark Kerala if you do not have any idea about this. So you can take that risk and mark Kerala if you see any good thing. It was from the month of June 2021. We have clearly given this year that Kerala has topped this SDG India Index, and it was the third edition of the SDG India Index. Now from the same month of June, they have asked a question on the ocean, life and livelihoods. It was the theme of the World Ocean Day 2021. We have given it clear here that World Ocean Day June 8 theme, the ocean life and livelihoods. If you can observe the trends, UPSC had asked about the National Technology Day last year, so they focus upon such days. So please remember a particular day and its importance if it is in news especially. So from April 2021 they have asked about the good government, Chandler Good Government Index. So UPSC asks such questions about the reports and indexes. If you are knowing about this, if you know the fact that we have ranked 49th, you will be able to answer this. Otherwise you might get the you might have to face the consequences of getting it wrong and getting a negative marks. So please keep, if you don't know specific rank of India, and move ahead and attempt other questions. Now we have clearly given this in our April 2021 month's magazine. Now they are asking about some swastik. What is swastik? So this is a technology. It is based upon oils to filter water, to disinfect water. So it is developed by the CSIR NCL Pune. So National Chemical Laboratory Pune and CSIR collaboration has developed this swastik. So it is a technology to disinfect water. So we have clearly mentioned it here in our June 2021 magazine. Now they UPSC keeps asking about the awards, international awards as well as the national awards. So please keep in mind that you should be preparing awards that are in news, that are important, like the Oscar awards, like the National Film Awards. So they have asked here that which film has got the best film award in the environment conservation category. So it is Water Burial. It is a film on the environmental awareness from the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so this was from the June month, and we have mentioned this on our page 3rd of the June 2021 magazine. So moving ahead, they have asked this question on the International Booker Prize. So if you are knowing about what is the difference between International Booker Prize and Booker Prize, please let me know in the comment section. So both are different awards. The book is about At Night All Blood is Black. This book has got this International Booker Prize. So this was also from the June 2021. We have covered it here in our magazine. So moving ahead, it was very expected that Asan Conservation Reserve will be asked, because it is the first Ramsar site in the Uttarakhand. So that is why this question was asked. We have clearly mentioned it here. Asan Conservation Reserve has become Uttarakhand's first Ramsar site, making it a wetland of international importance. Now we are very pleased to announce that a question that was asked in our test series directly was asked in the UPSC's exam. Now you can see here that we have asked a question on the similar lines of UPSC, that E100 pilot project which was launched recently is associated with what? So we have given the option of ethanol production. Here UPSC has also given the option of ethanol. So you can rely upon us, because we are forming the questions at a level 2 UPSC. So moving ahead, we have clearly explained here that Prime Minister Modi has launched this E100 pilot project. Now what we have not asked, or what we have missed, is that single question. We have covered 15 questions. 15 questions directly came from our magazine out of 16 questions that were asked, but we have missed a single question, and that is the that was about the Naomi Osaka. She had to withdraw. She has withdrawn from the Open Tennis Tournament 2021 because of some media obligation controversy. So that was the single thing that we had missed and we couldn't cover it. But almost all the questions were from our magazine. Now you might be feeling that how many months of current affairs should be covered. So the clear answer is that 8 to 9 months of the current affairs prior to the exam date should be covered. So 8 से 9 महीने के पहले के करंट अफेयर्स आपको पढ़ने ही पढ़ने हैं. तो स्पेशली फोकस करना कि एंड के मंथ्स पे आप पढ़े एंड ज़्यादा एम्फेसिस एंड के मंथ पे दे. बट you should be covering at least 8 to 9 months of current affairs. Friends, we have launched these initiatives. You can join any of these initiatives. If you are having any doubt about anything, you can contact here on our number. We will be always happy to help you, and thank you for watching the video. If you are having any doubts, you can comment below. We will answer that. Thank you.